All right, we can see here, folks, that we're just now starting to get some good purple color coming through. We're just about to the bottom of our first. And it is taking longer, because we had 2 lines open. Here we've only got 1. It's a bit longer, too. But once it starts flowing, you know, you've only got one way of releasing the pressure here, and here you had 2. So yeah, it's taking a little bit longer, but the same thing is happening. You can see it's turning good and purple here. It's just now starting to spew some good purple stuff in there. You can still see that that gray looking stuff there. So yeah, moving along. We'll go ahead and fill this up and let this drain through too. Yep. There's 2 ounces. Yeah, we'll use the rest of this bottle in there too. Maybe just the 1 bottle per car, and then I'll have a nice sealed bottle to leave in the trailer. So look at that. So far, so good. Talk to you soon.